You guys are here with the MVI Security. Today I just want to give you a quick rundown on what we can do here for your van applications or any mobile applications delivering medical cannabis, recreational cannabis, as I just passed here. We can obviously do a whole lot different stuff, but just to give you an idea on this Denali, we've got a nice looking camera here on the side that gives you basically viewing all the way around the vehicle. Right here on the front grill, we've got a camera monitoring what's going on up front. Left mirror camera, good looking setup right there. Obviously the truck's already got the rear camera back here, but we also mounted a dash camera right up here, which you can't see through the window tint. Now I'm gonna try and just give you a quick rundown so you can kind of see. We've also got a auxiliary battery set up in this guy. Ham radio set up, so all your monitoring back and forth can be handled right here with us guys. We got the live battery monitor. Dash cam up front. This is going to be a requirement, guys, so if you're planning on doing delivery of medical cannabis, recreational cannabis, this will be a requirement, along with a camera on your safe that's hauling your goods. So I've got a camera mounted on the back window back there. That little dash cam or rear camera monitors what's going on behind you on the road, but could be mounted to set viewing on your safe, so you're meeting code and whatnot. So just to give you a quick rundown, you're going to hear some things going on. That's going to be the dash cam firing up, and I'll tell you about that here in a second.
Continuous recording will now start. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware. GPS connected.
So that's important, guys. That GPS connected. This is actually going to give you your monitoring that's also required by law, part of the code to keep you compliant, which you can pull up on the app at any time. So I'm going to try and get this going here, see if we can make this work at the same time. Actually, I believe it's that one right there. So I'm going to go to settings. It asks us to connect to Wi-Fi on the Thinkware network. Connect right there. I'm going to go back.
Connected to a smartphone.
And from here, guys, we've got all our different files and whatnot, which I'm having trouble. But let's do a live view. So, kind of hard to see, but you can see what's going on in front of us. That's how crystal clear of a picture it is. And then we can also get the rear. So that's what's going on behind us. Customers here picking up his vehicle, so you can kind of see what's going on behind us as well. So pretty cool stuff, guys. It's also got the ability to pull up files. File list right here. And these are all the different files that we've done today, whatnot. So, and from here, guys, we've got all our different files and whatnot. Should have no trouble. Pretty good stuff here, guys. We can access camera module. View our front, left and right at the same time. Got the factory rear camera, the hatch camera, which is pointed up in the air right now since it's I got the rear hatch open, but I've got that working in motion now as well. And then this would do your rear and your two sides at once. And of course, we've got automatic right and left with the blinkers. For the front camera, guys, it does work below 8 miles per hour. It is designed for parking though, guys. It's got to see a little bit of a turn from the wheel, and also a reverse signal. So if I can do this without damaging things, see, I've got, and there's my front below automatically. So it's not going to work and come on automatically coming to a stop at a stoplight, just FYI. Reason for that is it would constantly come on in rush hour traffic. So this front camera setup on this module is designed for parking only, just FYI.